Sunpepe is trending like crazy. Is this new Pepe themed meme coin going to take over the crypto market? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a look at Sunpepe, which is currently up 125% on the day, and the week up a whopping 619%. We'll see on the top 10 hottest trending cryptocurrencies. Sunpepe is at number 2 at one of the highest trending cryptocurrencies. Now, what is Sunpepe and why is this token getting so popular? We see Sunpepe, it's on the Tron ecosystem, has a Tron on the logo. Looks like Pepe, also book of meme style. We can see it's available on Bitmart, Mexi, HTX, KuCoin, Crypto.com, Coinbase, you name it. The only real big player missing is Binance, which I anticipate is coming very soon. Sunpepe, the biggest pep meme on Tron. Every chain needs a pep. Every pep has its day. Everything is just as fine. Sunpepe is very serious. Pep brings many sunshines, many fun, and much more love to Tron. Guys, it's finally time that we got a serious Tron meme coins, as we haven't had a serious contender on the Tron ecosystem for some time now. That being said, it's pretty exciting to see that this token is going crazy. We can see full meme effect, key features, Sunpepe on Tron, Sonomics, a fair launch meme on Sunpump, Sun Frog treats coming soon, and you can buy now, and Dex Scanner and Coin Market Cap. That's it for the website. Over on socials, doing amazing with over 5,000 followers. Again, this token is literally listed on Coinbase already, which is absolutely insane. So we see Mexi coming. Are you ready? This is 7 hours ago. We see some pep charts are looking like this. You are fading. Wait till Mexi and KuCoin fully launch, and this is posted just 39 minutes ago. We go ahead and take a look, and on the week up 622% at $1.2 million market cap. This is going to be ready to explode. Looks like, again, listen, not too long ago, and I anticipate this is going to go crazy. Again, the fact that it's on the Tron ecosystem gives it a very unique opportunity and unique advantage, so you're definitely going to want to load up. Talking about loading up, here's another project you definitely want to add to your list, and that is Pepe Unchained. Again, these Pepe themed tokens go absolutely crazy, and this one is insane because offering a crazy AP. Pepe now has its own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during presale to max out your rewards before the presale. Pepe Unchained, better speeds, get better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, and dedicated block explorer, and a massive 192% AP. And in 1 day and 32 minutes, they're having their next price hike. So now's your time to buy before that happens. Already raised over $10 million in the presale alone. It's going absolutely insane. Now, guys, a bunch of exciting things are happening in the market right now. The crypto markets are slowly starting to recover, so you definitely want to load up while these opportunities aren't going to stay forever. And in the case with Sunpepe, guys, I think just the fact that it's on Tron ecosystem, it's something different, something unique. Every ecosystem needs its captive meme coin, and Sunpepe might be the exact savior for this project. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And do let me know in the comment section below, are you bullish or are you bearish on Sunpepe? And also, will you be loading up on the Pepe Unchained presale? I think it's going to go absolutely crazy, and I know you will too. Like always, guys, this is not financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor, so always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps the video. Is your friend Umar. Peace.